皮膚啊，對佢健康好有幫助嘅一啲冇酒精嘅雞尾酒，都係用 Kinohimitsu 嘅非常之優質嘅產品咧去調教出嚟嘅。好，我哋簽名就好啦嚇，簽名就好啦，唔該曬大家嘅合作。Okay, for the all of our guests on stage right now for the autograph session, please be reminded that only autographs are allowed. No picture, please. Thank you very much for your cooperation. At the same time, ladies and gentlemen, with a purchase of 600 ringgit and above worth of Kinohimitsu products, you'll be entitled to a free makeover and Watson's voucher as well. So do not miss this chance at the Kinohimitsu Beauty Festival today and tomorrow. There are lots of activities going on right here other than the autograph session by Tavia Young going on stage right now. Ladies and gentlemen, feel free to proceed to our counters, our Kinohimitsu counters, to find out more about promotions. For example, if you purchase 100 ringgit worth of Kinohimitsu product today, you're entitled to one spin at our Wheel of Fortune Spin and Win. 係啦，今日咧喺現場咧，如果你係購買超過100 ringgit 嘅 Kinohimitsu 嘅產品嘅話咧，亦都可以喺我哋呢個幸運輪嗰度咧轉一轉。睇下自己可以贏取啲咩獎品啊嚇！千祈唔好錯過。OK， 大家趕快嚇！如果想得到阿楊怡嘅簽名嘅話，快啲去到 Kinohimitsu 嘅櫃台咧，購買產品，得到呢個免費嘅 mouse pad 就可以上到台上索取簽名㗎啦。因為咧好快地，我哋楊怡簽名嘅速度咧，因為有多年經驗啊，簽得好快，所以咧我哋嘅人龍已經見到尾啦。如果你要快嘅話，就快啲趕上嚟排隊；如果唔係咧，我哋一結束完呢一個簽名嘅活動之後咧，就輪到我哋媒體朋友訪問啦，就冇機會索取到今日阿楊怡嘅簽名㗎啦嚇。